car has 9 hidden functions 80% of older drivers don't know. The last one can save my life. First, braking failure when driving. Don't panic. Let's hold the electronic handbrake switch by hand. Don't loosen it. The car can stop steadily. Second, which side does the triangle arrow on the instrument point to? The fuel tank cap outside the car is on. Third, the interior dome lamp switch has 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it in second gear. Open the door after adjustment. The roof lamp lights up automatically. Close the door and the roof lamp will turn off automatically. You don't have to switch it manually anymore. 4. The seat belt can be adjusted according to the height of the driver. 5th, the sun visor can not only block the sunlight in front, it can also block the sunlight on the side. 6th, find the window regulator switch on the door. Move it to the top. Hold it for 5 seconds to activate the one-button window up function. 7th, press and hold the lock key for 10 seconds. You can activate the automatic locking function. 8th, open the child safety lock on the door. I won't be afraid of the bare boy to open the door from inside the car. 9th, stuck in the car and can't get out. We just need to crawl into the trunk, then find the small cover on the door panel of the boot. Open it. There is a small mechanism in it. You can open the boot escape with a flick of your hand. How is it particularly practical? Pay attention to me. Learn something every day.